Daddy. She doesn't like getting burped right now. She's not liking it that Mama's trying to burp her, huh? No, you're not liking it? Daddy thinks you sound like a car. He thinks you sound like a car. Look at, say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. I'm crawling all over.
I will help.
Say hi, Daddy. You don't want to say hi to Daddy? Oh, okay.
I think she's crying because she misses Dad.
Yeah, she misses Daddy, huh? Hey, Daddy's girl. Yeah, Lily, you miss him too? You hear that, bub? Lily says she misses Daddy too. What are we doing? Are we trying to eat our hands? Okay, sit up. Oh my goodness. We're going crazy.
It's alright, Mama.
It's Mrs. Daddy, huh?
You crying because you miss Dad.
You gonna tell him something?
Love you, Daddy.